Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. So today we will continue congruencies as well as cyclicity. So next property, A congruent to B mod M, then A power K congruent to B power K mod M for all positive integer K. For all positive integer K. So write down this property. Okay. Simple one only. A power K minus B power K. So A minus B times this is A power K minus 1 plus A power K minus 2 B plus and so on plus B power K minus 1. So it is A minus B times T. So what does it mean? A power K minus B power K is A minus B multiple. Okay. So therefore A power K congruent to B power K mod M. Right. Next property, A plus B congruent to C mod M, B congruent to D mod M, B congruent to D mod M, then A congruent to A plus D congruent to C mod M, A plus D congruent to C mod M. So how it is possible, sir? One see, A plus B congruent to C mod M, B congruent to D mod M, right? On subtracting, A plus B minus B congruent to C minus D mod M. Okay. Now A congruent to C minus D mod M. So A plus D congruent to C minus D plus D mod M. So A plus D congruent to C mod M. Simple property only. A congruent to B mod M, A congruent to B mod M, and D divides M, and D divides M. Then A congruent to B mod D, A congruent to B mod D. So A congruent to B mod M means A congruent to B mod M means M divides A minus B. M divides A minus B, and D divides M. That implies D divides A minus B. D divides A minus B. So A congruent to B mod D. Right done? Got it, all of you? Not change. A congruent to B mod M, C congruent to D mod M, then Ax plus Cy congruent to Bx plus Dy. It is general property only. By using the above properties, we can make it standard result only. Completed, huh? Okay. Now see, next one. Let P of x is equal to P naught x power n plus P1 x power n minus 1 plus P2 x power n minus 2 and so on plus Pn be a polynomial. Okay, be a polynomial with integral coefficients. With integral coefficients. Your coefficients are P0, P1, P2 and so on are coefficients which are integers, and A congruent to B mod M, then P of A congruent to P of B mod M. So it is very beautiful and interesting result. CA congruent to CB mod m, CA congruent to CB mod m, and GCD of C comma M is equal to 1. GCD of C comma 1. HCF of these two is 1 because means it is co-prime. Then A congruent to B mod M. What is next property? So these are some important and basic properties of congruencies. I think these properties are enough to solve our exercise. So now we are going to discuss about cyclicity. Cyclicity. So in cyclicity directly we can do the we can form the tabular form. N equal to what? 1 power n, 2 power n, 3 power n, 4 power n, 5 power n, 6 power n, 7 power n, 8 power n, 9 power n. Okay. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Period. So 1 power. See, these are all we are considering units place. Ends with R units place. We have to observe these 2 points only. 1 power 1 ends with 1. 1 power 2 ends with 1. 1 power 3 ends with 1. 1 power 4 ends with 1. Right? Period is 1 for every number 1 power. So see 2 power n. 2 power 1 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 power 4 16 ends with 6. 2 power 4 16 ends with 6. Again, if you will take 2 power 5 32 ends with 2. 2 power 6 64 ends with 4. 2 power 7 128 ends with 8. That you have to observe. 2 power 7 128 ends with 8. 2 power 6 64 ends with 4. 2 power 5 ends with 2. 2 power 4 16 ends with 6. 2 power 8 256 ends with 6. So 2 cube ends with 8. 2 square ends with 4. 2 power 1 ends with 2. So 2 4 8 6. 2 4 8 6. 2 4 8 6. All ones places will come will follow this pattern 2 4 8 6. So period is 4 for every, right. Now 3 power n, 3 power 1 ends with 3, 3 square ends with 9, 3 power 3, 27, ends with 7, 3 power 4, 81, ends with 1. Again, 3 power 5, 243, ends with 3. 3 power 6, 729, ends with 9. 3 power 7, 2187, ends with 7. 3 power 8, 6561, ends with 1. Got it, all of you? Right. So it's period 1. Now 4 power 1, 4. 4 square 6. 16 ends with 6. 4 cube 64 ends with 4. 4 power 4, 256 ends with 6. So 2. 5 power n, for any 5 power it ends with 5 only. For any 6 ends with 6 only. 7 power 1, 7. 7 square 49 ends with 9. 7 cube 343 ends with 3. 7 4 4, 2401 ends with 1. So periodicity 4. 8 power 1 ends with 8. 8 cube 4. 8 square 64. 8 cube 512. 512 ends with 2. 512. 8 power 4 6. 8 power 4 2 power 12. 2048 4096 ends with 6. So 4. 9 power 1 9. 9 square 81. 9 cube 729. 9 power 4 is there here. 6561 1 4. So periodicity 2. In other words also we have to write this table. In other words also we have to write this table. So how can we write in other words? So first of all, see 5 power n ends with 5 for all n belongs to any natural number, right? Next 6 power n ends with 6 for any n belongs to n. Right? Now see, if you will observe 4 power 1 3 odd 2 4 even. For 4, for even powers it is 6, for odd powers it is 4. 4 power even ends with 6. 4 power odd ends with 4. The same way 9 power even ends with, what is 9 power even ends with? 1. 9 power odd ends with 9. 9 power odd ends with 9. So 5 6 4 9 completed. 5 6 4 9 completed. 5 6 4 9 completed. Now the remaining things. See, when a number divided by 4, what are the possible remainders? When a number divided by 4, possible reminders. When a number divided by 4, possible reminders are 1, 2, 3, 0. Divisible by 4. 0 means divisible by 4. Now, it is in the form of division algorithm 4 into n plus 1 remainder. 4 into n plus 2 remainder. 4 into n plus 3 remainder. And 4 multiple. There is no remainder. Now, by using these 4 results, it can be applicable for 2, 3, 7, 8. So 2 power 4n plus 1 ends with means units place 2. 2 power 4n plus 2 ends with 4. 2 power 4n plus 3 ends with 8. 2 power 4n plus 4n plus 4 means 4n ends with 6. Next, 3 power 4n plus 1 ends with 3. 3 power 4n plus 2 ends with 9. 3 power 4n plus 3 ends with 7. 3 power 4n ends with 1. Next, 7 power 4n plus 1 ends with 7. 7 power 4n plus 2 ends with 9. 7 power 4n plus 3 ends with 3. 7 power 4n plus 4 ends with 1. 8 power 4n plus 1 ends with 8. 8 power 4n plus 2 ends with 6. 8 power 4n plus 3 ends with 2. 8 power 4n plus 4 means 4n ends with this is 4, sorry. This is 2, this is 6. So all of you write down the cyclicities. All of you write down the cyclicities. First you have to write this tabular form and then these values. Then we'll go to exercise. Make it fast, all of you. Make it fast, make it fast. Boys, make it fast. Right, sir? Completed, huh? So now we'll see some questions. Then we'll go to Fermat theorem and its applications. Fermat theorem, little Fermat theorem and its applications, we can go. Okay. See, 2026 power 2020 2027 power 2026 ends with 2026 power 2027 ends with. That is the question. So how can we solve this? 2026 power 2027 power 2026. See, it is nothing but ends with what? Is 7 power 2026 ends with is equal to 7 power 2026. So 7 power, see, when it is divided by 4, 4 into 4 5 is 20, 4 6 24, 2 remainder. 4 5 is 20, 4 6 24, 2 remainder. See, what is 7 power? This one observe here. Power 2. 7 power 2 ends with 9. So, ends with 9. Since 7 power 4n plus 2 ends with 9. So, therefore, units place of 2027 power 2026 is 9. For example, 2027 power 2026 plus 2029 power 2030 ends with another question. 2027 power 2026 plus 2029 power 2030 ends with. So 7 power 2026 plus 9 power 2030 ends with what? So 7 power 2026 already is there. 7 power 4n plus 2 ends with 9. Also 9 power even. What is 9 power even? Once observe here, 9 power even ends with 1. So 9 power even ends with 1. So therefore 7 power 2026 plus 9 power 2030 ends with, this one ends with 9 plus this one ends with 1, ends with 0. Units place of first part is 9, units place of second part is 1, their sum is 10, so ends with 0. Got it? Change. Now here, uh, okay, in logarithms we will do that concept. Number of digits in a expansion power. Number of digits we'll do later. You know divisibility rules. No need to discuss about divisibility rules. Directly we can solve the questions. 1x 2y 7 divisible by 9 x comma y, number of possible pairs. This is our 5th class question in our syllabus, in our curriculum. It is 5th class question. So 1 plus x plus 2 plus y plus 7 is equal to, see, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 after 10, what is the 9 multiple? It may be 18, it may be 27, it may be 36, it may be 45, and so on. Here we have to observe x comma y digits from 0 to 9. Digits from 0 to 9. So digits from 0 to 9. So here x plus y is equal to 18 minus 10 or 27 minus 10 or 36 minus 10 and so on. Here we have to observe x plus y max. How much, sir? X plus y max. You can take maximum x 9 and maximum y 9. So 9 plus 9, 18 by the maximum. More than that does not exist. More than that does not exist. So x plus y is equal to, it may be 8 or it may be 17 or it may be 26. From here onwards not possible. So verify with digits, because it is x y in between the numbers, so you can take 0 also. So if possible, 0 plus 8, 1 plus 7, 2 plus 6 and so on, 8 plus 0. So total how many? 0 to 8, 9 pairs. Now x plus y is equal to 17. If it is 8, it is 9. If it is 9, it is 8. Here 2 pairs. So total number of required pairs. Total number of required x comma y is equal to 9 plus 2, 11 pairs. So it is basic question only. Try to solve all of you. Make it fast. Completed? So write down first question. Let n be a positive integer. Let n be a positive integer. Let n be a positive integer. Then number of possible reminders. Number of possible reminders when 2013 power n minus 1803 power n minus 1781 power n plus 1774 power n divided by 203. Divided by 203. Divided by 203. Right? So that is a beautiful question, this one. For this one, we have to use the formula a power n minus b power n is equal to a minus b times a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 2 b plus a power n minus 3 b ki power 2 plus and so on b power n minus 1. That is the expansion of a power n plus minus b power n for any n integer. N belongs to any natural number. Sorry. N belongs to any natural number. Either 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it is. Okay. Now see, 2013 power n minus 1803 power n. Take out minus as common. 1781 power n plus minus 1744 power n. Okay. So this is a power n minus 1. 2013 minus 1803 into j minus j means this one. This is all. No need to write here. 2013 power n minus 1 plus 2013 power n minus 2 times 1803 and so on like this. Now come to here. 1781 minus 1744 into y. Right? So what is the difference here? 2013 1803 012 210j minus it is I think 7y is equal to 7 times x, that is 7 times a, whatever, 7 multiple. This is all let p is 7 multiple. P is 7 multiple. Now p is equal to 2017 power 2013 power n 2013 power n minus 1781 power n minus as common 1803 power n minus 1744 power n. Now see what happened here. This is 2013 minus 1781 times let it be jy. Okay. U minus 1803 minus 1744 So what is the difference? 13 1781. So 2 3, this is 9 minus 2, 232. Sure, 232. Okay, so 232u minus, what is the difference here? 1803 1744, 9 13 minus 9 1774, sorry, 1774. 1803 1774 9 2. So 29v. Is it divisible by 29 or not? Once so see here, 29 8s 72, 7 16 plus 7 23. So it is 29 multiple. It is 29 multiple. P is equal to 7 multiple as well as P is 29 multiple. Okay. As well as 29 multiple. So P is 7 multiple as well as 29 multiple. Because of 7 comma 29 co-prime, P is multiple of 29 into 7. 7 9 63, 6 7 2 14, 6 203. Okay, very good. The given number is 203. So therefore, P is multiple of 203 for any n belongs to natural number. So therefore, what is the possible remainder? Divisible means remainder must be 0. Right? No doubt. Possible remainder 0. Number of possible remainders only 1. Number of possible remainders only 1. Right. Good question. Write down all of you. Completed? So if second question, if 13x plus 8y is divisible by 7, then prove that 9x plus 5y is also 9x plus 5y is also divisible by 7. Is also divisible by 7. What is the rule for divisible by 7? Rule for divisible by 7. You know divisible by 2, you know divisible by 3, you know divisible by 4, you know divisible by 5, you know divisible by 6, you know divisible by 8, you know divisible by 9, you know divisible by 11, you know divisible by 12, but what is divisible by 7 rule? Simple. See, double the last digit of the given number, double the last digit of the given number, then subtract it from the rest of the number, if difference is 7 multiple, if the difference is 7 multiple, given number divisible by 7. అయితే ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నోట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే, ఇఫ్ నెసెసరీ can continue this process for the obtaining results. For the obtaining results. సో వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ని ఈ ప్రాసెస్ కంటిన్యూ చేసుకొని వెళ్ళొచ్చు అప్పుడు అంటిల్ విల్ గెట్ ద రిజల్ట్. ఓకే, రైట్. Note down that rule and try to solve this question by using that rule. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం 9x ప్లస్ 5y చెక్ చేయాలి. సో 9x ప్లస్ 5y plus 13x plus 8y, because it is 7 multiple. It is 7 multiple. 13x plus 8y is 7 multiple. So add to this one. So replace what we'll get here? 22x plus 13y, there is no 7 in common. There is no 7 in common. Again, 22x plus 13y. 22x plus 13y is to be added to 13x plus 8y. What will get here? 22 plus 13, 35x plus 13 plus 8, 21y. This is 7 times 5x plus 3y. So 7 multiple. So therefore, where we started 9x plus 5y. Therefore, 9x plus 5y is divisible by 7. Okay, do it all of you. For 7, 13, 7, 11, 13, if a positive difference of the last 3 digits of the given number, if the positive difference of the last 3 digit and rest of the digits, if the positive difference of last 3 digit to the rest of the digits of the given number rest of the digits of the given number is divisible by either 7 or 11 or 13, then the number is divisible by 7, 11 or 13. Then the number is divisible by 7, 11 or 13. Check these numbers. I'll give examples here. All of you verify after completion of the class as homework. 630616, one number. 588567, another number. 28105 is another number. 40111. So these numbers have to check afterwards, not now. Write down the questions after completion of the class. I think you have today 10th class classes from 9 to I think 1 or 12 branches. So mostly now time be 7 a.m. Within 5 minutes we will conclude the class. Write down these questions. 2 power 2026. Last two digits is what? 2 power 2026. You know, 2 power 4 into 506 plus 2 ends with, this is in the form of 2 power 4n plus 2 ends with 4. So this is ends with 4. But here have to find last two places. Last two places. Very good. So 2 congruent to 2 mod 10. Last two places means when divided by 100, remainder is last two places. Ante kadandi? When divided by 100, remainder is last two places. So 2 congruent to 2 mod 100, 2 square congruent to 4 mod 100. Once observe, these are all the required only. 2 power 3 congruent to 8 mod 100, 2 power 4 congruent to 08, 04, 02, 16 mod 100. Once observe here. So how can we conclude these results? How can we conclude these results? So 2 power 6 congruent to 2 power 5 congruent to 32 mod 100. By using these results, we can raise the powers. Suppose 2 power 10 congruent to, what will get here? 2 power 10 congruent to, చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది 32 into 32, 1024 అయినా 32 square. So ends with 24 mod 100. సో ఇట్లా పవర్స్ రైజ్ చేస్తూ 2026 కి నియర్ బై తీసుకువెళ్ళాలి, రైట్? సో నోట్ చేయండి. విల్ కంటిన్యూ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్. సో టుడే ఈవినింగ్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో క్లాస్. Tomorrow morning by 5:30 AM we will take the class. Tomorrow morning 5:30. Okay. From here onwards we will continue tomorrow. Right. Thank you. Have a nice day.